I'm gonna show you how to make most of my trim boards. When I say I rip them down, need to make some edging pieces. This was a 1x4. Actually, it's 3/4 by, I don't know. But I set the back gauge. It is about 1/8 of an inch thick piece of paneling that I used on the walls. But I set my back gauge for that to fit in there. You should use safety glasses. Well, I forgot them next door. But I started to go up If you guys see, I shut this saw off and take a piece of tape because these are 1/8 of an inch wide, so they don't break when I cut the rest of it. I put a piece of tape on that side. Should be using safety glasses, stuff like that, but I ain't got them. And be careful with your hands. I nicked my finger here last night with the table saw, because I got a real thin piece, and so I ended up going out and buying 1x4. This is not your cheap 1x4. This board was like $14. But I'll start this all back up here. But as you see, 3/4 of an inch wide, 1/8 inch thick, or really close to it. And you can buy these boards at the store, but they're like $4 a piece. And I've made several. As you see, I've made several, but they're 1/8 of an inch thick. 1 inch wide, or 3/4 of an inch wide. I'll actually show you when I'm back at the camper. But at $4 a piece, I figure I could rip them down off the table saw instead. I cut all these ones. I already got 3. Next door, I'm actually at next door using table saw. But I'll show you what they're for. But I just wanted to show you how I take and rip down boards. Yes, this is dangerous. I use board to finish pushing it through. This is actually getting a little narrow. I'll get maybe 1 or 2 more off this before I'll give it up. But I was just showing you. Don't know exactly how many I need, but I'd rather have too many than not enough. Making an easy video. Getting ready to do the rubber roof. Letting it relax a little bit. I've seen in companies I've talked to say let it relax, and videos I've seen say let it relax a little bit before you get ready to glue it. So I am. There's the bathroom vent. There's another vent over here. There's your vents for your, one's for your toilet tank and one's for gray water. Refrigerator vent, AC vent living room vent, or bedroom, or whatever we'll call it. I actually took, let me zoom in here. I actually took the forklift and little forklift and actually took the AC unit off, so it wasn't up here. But that's what I'm doing. This is not a sponsored video. I wish these places would sponsor me, but I did it in black, like I've said in other videos and other campers. The fire camper rebuild, which I still have. No, I'm not getting rid of it. This is just another little thing while I'm waiting on drill bits for the Dodge Journey GT rollover rebuild. I will be painting this white eventually. I don't know when, or whoever ends up with the camper will paint it white. I do have to tape over all the seams. I did it on the big campers so the rubber would lay out and it wouldn't rip through the rubber. This is oh, excuse me. I've been outside working all day. A 45 mil. It's actually, this kit is actually bought from Menards. Not really a kit, it's just a rubber. It was bought from Menards, and it was about 130 bucks. And that was a lot cheaper than the 170 or whatever it was. And waiting because the rubber roof was on back order to do it in white. So to get it done quick, I bought black, just like the big fire damage camper. I will be painting it white, or somebody will be. But please stay tuned. I will be getting to the next part of this video. Short and sweet. No butyl tape, so I can't do none of the edging. I can't put none of the drip edge on or any of that until I get some. RV store was out. All the other RV stores were closed. This is Sunday. Saturday I went and looked, and a lot of the RV stores closed early. That's why that vent cover ain't done. In case it does decide to rain, I won't get water inside. AC unit will be coming back up on the roof. It's sitting out on a little forklift. This thing comes in handy for some things it don't. That's the AC unit vent. This one is the same way. I'm waiting on butyl tape so I can get that vent. I do have I am putting the original vents back in, but I do have new vent covers, the plastic that goes on top. This one I've got to go to the store and get a new vent thing for, like this one. This one's got butyl tape on it. Here's butyl tape. This goes under your metal or your plastic or whatever. It just gives it a little bit of a leak absorbent, and then you put lap sealant around it. That actually helps a lot more. But I'm out. This is all I have. But yeah, I don't want to keep you guys. That's why none of the edges are done. That's why some of it looks like it's not done, because I haven't pulled it tight, and to get all the air bubbles out of the edges. And I still got to take and put some tape along the edges anyway. I do it, or I'll take a piece of old rubber roofing and put it around the edges and put it on the back edge here, just to protect it a little bit. This part is actually going to be cut back a little bit to bring it back, because some of it's not rusted out, but it's got some damage, so I'll probably end up bringing it back so I don't have 4 feet, and then end up actually bringing this back here a little more. This is where it was originally, so I might bring it back to the edge here just so it looks a little better. But I didn't want to bore you, so I'm not going to keep you. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I will get an update on the inside. It is looking really nice. But please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.